In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana tags, 5 minutes. Let's start by signing into Asana. Open the login page, enter your email, click continue, then enter your password and log in. Once you're on your Asana homepage, head into the project where you want to use tags. Tags help you label tasks in a way that cuts across projects or sections, so they're great for themes like priority, platform, or campaign. Inside your project, open a task and view its details. In the task pane, open the three dots menu, then choose Add Tags. Type the name of the tag you want and create it. Keep tag names short and consistent so teammates instantly understand what they mean. For example, use clear terms like high priority or Q1 rather than long sentences. After you add a tag, it appears on the task. When you return to your project's list or dashboard, you'll see a tags column showing the labels applied to each task. This makes it easy to scan work at a glance, and you can click a tag to view all tasks that share it. Remember, Asana tags are simple labels you assign to tasks so you can categorize, organize, and find information quickly. They complement fields and sections by giving you a lightweight way to group work across different areas. Think of them as flexible shortcuts for reporting and filtering. If you need to update a tag, open a task that uses it and view the task details. Click the tag itself to open the tags page, then go to the Actions dropdown. From here, you can rename the tag to keep your taxonomy clean as your team evolves. You can also set a color, which helps visually differentiate tags in busy projects. Pick colors that carry meaning, such as red for urgent or green for approved, and keep those choices consistent across your workspace. If a tag is no longer needed, use the same Actions dropdown to delete it. Deleting removes the tag from all tasks where it appears, so confirm only when you're sure it isn't used for current reporting or filters. When prompted, confirm the deletion and the tag will be cleared across your projects. That's it. Log in, open your project, add tags from the task's three dots menu, and manage them from the tag's Actions dropdown to rename, recolor, or delete. With a small, consistent set of tags, your team can filter faster, scan status at a glance, and keep work organized without adding complexity.